Playing an 8-octave scale is an extremely awesome way to show that you know how to play the piano, impress everyone, and it's just a great skill to learn. A lot of people think that you need a lot of experience to be able to scale up the piano, but in all reality, you just need to understand that these keys are the same as these keys. So let's dive deep. I'll show you how to go from not knowing anything to being able to go to an 8-octave scale. That sucked. So obviously having a little piano background is going to help you in this situation. But if you don't have any, here's the basic understanding. You have 8 keys that make up one group, or an octave. So every single group is the same here, here, down here, up here. And a great way to find the starting point is if you physically look at the piano, you're going to have white keys and black keys. So you're going to have 2 black keys, 3 black keys. If you look at the 2, go down to the right here. That's where you start on every single scale. You start at the bottom of the 2. That's C. So once you've gone from the 2 black keys down to the 1 white key from the left to the... Understanding that that's C, and that's C on every single group or octave, then you need to just put your hands there. Naturally. Just lay your hands on there, and you're naturally going to have your 1st, 3rd, and 5th. But in reality, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. So hopefully you have a piano in front of you. Try it real quick. Put your first finger from your 2 down to your 1. Put your first finger on C, first finger on C, and try it with your 1st, 3rd, and 5th. Pinky, middle finger, thumb for your left hand, and thumb, middle finger, pinky for your right hand. So right there, you're going to have a 2-octave scale if you were to just do it. Guys, I understand the struggle of thinking, I'm not going to be able to do it, my hands don't work, everything. I got the top half of my middle finger ripped off a while ago, and I'm still able to play just fine. You just need to be able to naturally get your hands in the position. So hopefully we understand that the white keys, black keys, they're different. They sound different. The 2 black keys go down to the 1, the C, and that's where you start with your 1, 3, and 5. That's going to be the same across all the groups or octaves.
Guys, this course, Piano for All, is a very useful tool. If you're interested in learning the piano, I'd check them out. It's an online piano course that teaches you everything you want to learn. They have over 500 audio lessons. They have 200 different videos showing you how and where to put your hands, just like I'm doing for you. And 10 different complete lesson audio ebooks and instant download right to your phone, computer, or tablet. If you're interested in progressing your piano ability, I would check them out.
So try a couple. Try being able to do a full C chord. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. After you're able to do a chord in the same position, then it's as simple as being able to move it so when you're doing the scale, you can see I'm putting my hand right where the next one is. That just makes a little smooth transition when you do the entire thing. Another effective way is just crossing over your hand. I think that's personally a little more difficult, but if you nail that technique, there are several more songs that you can learn that use that crossover technique, and it sounds amazing. Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen is one of those songs. So it's up to you if you want to put your hand over the next one or just cross over. Just basically has to do with what you're comfortable with. After you're able to find a chord, then from there it's just being able to move it, while always starting on this C that leads from the 2 down to 1. The black key goes down to the 1, you hit the 1, 3, 5, and then you just move that. So guys, from there, it's just practice. You just need to be able to put your hand in the proper position, starting from 2 to 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and just practice over and over again. And when you become comfortable, you'll be able to sit down anywhere at any piano and just... It's just overall a great skill. It's a fun little, oh yeah, I can play the piano. Or so guys, let me know if this piano tutorial helped. I'd be happy to make more. Drop a comment and let me know what you want to learn. Or just drop a comment and tell me that I suck. That's an option too. And I'll put a link for that course below.